Hi, this is Jon May, wrapping up the buying process. Now, your real estate agent will make arrangements for the purchase agreement to be presented to the seller as soon as possible. And it's perfectly normal for buyers to feel some anxiety while waiting for the seller's answer. But remember, the better your offer, the more likely the seller will accept it. The ball is now in the seller's court, and they have 3 or sometimes 4 options. First, they may accept your offer as is. Second, they could reject your offer, in which case you've got to start over by changing and resubmitting your purchase agreement. Third, in the case of multiple offers, a competing agreement may have been accepted and you lose the home. Or lastly, the seller may ask for changes, resulting in a counteroffer. If the seller counters your offer, you can reject the new terms and find another home. You can agree to the terms and the home is yours. Or you can recounter and ask for other changes while accepting some of the changes. But remember, it's not a competition. Negotiate only those items that are most important to you and accept the minor changes that are of little significance. As soon as both parties agree to the terms outlined in the purchase agreement, you'll be ready to move toward closing the sale. The closing is the final step before you actually call a house your home. It is the responsibility of you, your realtor, and your loan officer to make sure all necessary items are provided by the closing date. From the day the purchase agreement is finalized, your agent and loan officer will be working hard to ensure a smooth closing. Now, some of the items they're going to be working on are your credit report, appraisal, income and deposit verification, loan approval, inspections, and title search. Now, during the same time, you're going to need to secure homeowners insurance and begin making moving arrangements. The closing is typically held at the title company and occurs on the date specified on the agreement or a renegotiated date. Be prepared at this time to pay the balance of the down payment and closing costs, which is usually a percentage of the mortgage amount. Now remember, the title company or closing attorney cannot accept a personal check, but does need certified funds. Now at this time, you get the keys to your new home unless there is a mutual agreement for a different time. Remember, without the right plan, buying a home can be time-consuming and a lot of work. But by working with a knowledgeable realtor, you will have a home buying experience that will be easier and more enjoyable. Thanks for joining me for my home buying series. If you would like more information, join me every Tuesday night at 7 p.m. for my home buying webinar. You can register at www.freehomebuyingwebinar.com.